Dear memory, it may be wrong for me to think that when you happened, I was in the upper spot. In a spot too safe to feel the danger. In a spot too sound to hear the disappointment. The disappointment alike to the sound of breaking glass. That sounds how long broken this family was. Much regret, and how can I forget and neglect the tears that fell and dried. Oh, how foggy to me how my grandmother cried. For I was too centric and too unsympathetic, like the reality I miscoded in my memory. I am sorry that error is just nature to me. Dear memory, have you seen how my grandpa looked at me so proudly? With bright eyes, loud boast, joyful laughs, and thunderous claps. Always has been my number one support, my number one favorite, my number one protector. But then suddenly, have you heard how my home is upturned so wildly? With bloodshot eyes, loud shouts, mournful cries, and pacifying lies. How can be those person be the grandpa that held me so dearly? Maybe it was just a midnight nightmare, that I'd eventually wake up, like in fairy tales. The inconsistency and the biased memory cover the woeful wails. Can I still use the excuse and say sorry? Sorry that error is just so natural to me. For the last time, dear memory, what do you think of these handy walls my family built to shelter me from the world's filth? Are they too tall? Tall enough to give me shade, or too tall to blind me? Are they too strong? Strong enough to give me protection, or too strong that it jails me? Jailing me in the simplicity that must be maintained in all condition. May it be martyrdom, silence, cowardice, and naivety. I have lived within these walls all my life, and I don't know how to live outside. So is it wrong that I am biased to believe that no chaos is happening inside? That my family will always be the sturdy tree that no one can uproot? That things will get better like usual, and those rotten chunks are lovely fruits? I was a kid with so much hope and belief of invulnerability. So can the grown-up me be the one to say sorry? Sorry that error is just so natural to me.